Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, I'm going to talk about our class 7th mathematics chapter 4 that name is lines and angles. Okay, and this is related to our Telangana State Board, and in this video I'm going to solve our exercise 3. So if you have any kinds of doubt related to this chapter, related to this exercise, then don't worry about it. In the end of this video you will have not going to be a single doubt related to this exercise and this chapter. Okay, so before I'm going to start this one, if you're looking for the class 7th mathematics, you can go to our channel, click on the playlist, and there you will find a playlist of class 7th mathematics. Okay, so we already discussed the exercise 2 in the previous classes. Now we are going to discuss our exercise 3. Okay, so let's start here. So the first question is it telling here which of the following pairs of angle are supplementary. Okay, what is the mean by pairs? Pairs of angle means two. What is the mean by pair means two. So here if you see in the first figure there is a two angles, one here, one here also two angles. So here pairs of angle means there have to be two angles, and we have to find is it supplementary or not. The pairs of angles are supplementary or not. So first of all you will get doubt, sir, what is the mean by supplementary? So in the previous classes we already learn about the complementary angle. The complementary angles are the angle which is 90 degree, or sum of two angles is 90, that is called a complementary angle. Like that here only. Supplementary means what? The angle which is 80 degree, 180 degree, it is called a supplementary angle. What is the supplementary angle? The angle which is 180 degree is it called the supplementary angle. Okay now before let me tell you what is supplementary angle, then we will move. So supplementary angle, let's write about supplementary. It's a not supplementary exam, is it supplementary angle? Okay, supplementary angle. Okay, what is supplementary angle? The angle which is equals to 180 degree. The angle which is 180 degree is it called supplementary angle. Otherwise you can write the angle which the sum of two angles is it 180, is it called as supplementary angle. The sum of two angles are 180 degree is called supplementary angle. Okay na, supplementary angle. Is it clear to you or not? So what is the supplementary? Let's suppose this one angle is 120 degree. Okay na, another is angle is 60 degree. When you add both of this angle, is it going to be 120 by 60? How much it is going to be? 180. If it is going to be 180, then this is called a supplementary angle. Okay, let's suppose this angle is 130 and this angle is 70. So add both of this angle. So this is given 130 plus 70, this is going to be 200. So it is not a supplementary angle. Why? Because this angle, after adding both of this angle, is going to be 200. So that's why it is not a supplementary. So if any angle should have to be supplementary, it should have to be 180. Remember, supplementary angle is 180. So whatever angle you are getting now, add that angle, and if it is 180, then is it supplementary angle. Okay na, clear? Now come to the first question. The first question is telling that which are the following pairs of are supplementary. Now here the first question is supplementary, second or third. In this first, second, third, which is a supplementary, we have to find. So finding a supplementary, it is first easy. First we have to add this one. The first angle is given how much? 110 plus this is given. Add how much it is going to be? 110 plus 1, this is going to be 180 degree. This is one dot means degree. This is a sign of degree. Okay, this one dot is sign of degree. So this is 180 degree. So it is when the sum of two angles are 180, this is going to be supplementary. So this is a supplementary angle. So this is a supplementary. So the first one is a supplementary. The first one is a supplementary angle. The first one is a supplementary angle. Let's check out the second one. The second one is how much? The second one is given 90 degree plus 90 degree. There is a two angles, 90. If you add this one, how much is it going to be? 180 degree. So this is also 180 degree. The angle which is 180 degree, this is the only called supplementary. So this is also supplementary angle. So this is also supplementary angle. Okay, now come to the third point. The third is how much? The first angle is given 50 degree. The second is given how much? 140 degree. Add both. So this is both is going to be 190 degree. So the angle which is 180, this is only supplementary. This is the 190. So this is not a supplementary. For the supplementary, the angle should have to be 180. If any angle, the sum of angle or the angle which is 180, that is the only supplementary. But here the sum of these two angle is 190. So this is not a supplementary. So this is not supplementary. Not supplementary. Okay now. Not supplementary angle. Okay, this is the answer of your first question. So this is a supplementary, this is also supplementary, but this is not a supplementary. Okay, is it clear? If it is clear, then we will move towards our second question. The second question is same. Find the supplementary angle and the given angles. Okay, which is the supplementary we have to find? So we already know. So okay, so here is it given the, here this is given the one angle. This is 105. What will be the another? What will be the another one? If one angle is 105, then what should be the next angle? For the making the supplementary, for the making the supplementary, to make the supplementary angle is sum of two angles. Okay, now this is the one angle which is 105. Okay, this is another we don't know. So for making the supplementary, the angle should have to be 180 degree. Whatever the angle is there, if the both angle, if we add now, it should have to be 180 degree. Okay, the first angle is 105, but what should be the second number? How much degree the second angle should have to be? So how we will find? We will subtract. The supplementary angle is 180. Okay, and how much the first angle is 105. So if you subtract from this now, how much left? It is 75. It means the second angle should have to be 75 degree. Add 105 and 70, this is going to be 180. Simple. Okay, now like that, if you want to find the like that 95, the supplementary angle is 180 degree, and how much angle is one angle is 95. The another should be how much? We don't know. If we subtract from that one, we will understand how much the another next would be 85. The next angle 85, the first angle 95 plus 85, if you add, that is going to be 180. Okay, you are not understanding, you will understand. How you will understand? I will make you to understand. How? I will explain you. So first here write one thing. Before I am going to write one thing, you have to write supplementary angle equal to one given, and given angles you have to supplement. Okay na? You have to write supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is how much? How much it is? 180 degree, and you should have to minus the given angle to find the supplementary angle. So what is the first question? Let's solve with the first question. Okay, the first question, what is given? The supplementary angle is how much? 180 degree. What the angle is given in the first? 105 angle is given. Okay, there is a one like that, here it is. Okay, now 105. So if you subtract, how much it is going to be left? This is going to be 75 left. It means the first angle is 105. Okay, the second angle we don't know, but we know the supplementary angle is 180. So 180, if you minus this one, it means the next angle should be 75 degrees. So if you add 105 and 70, this is going to be 180 only. Okay na? This is going to be 180. You can, if you don't have belief, you can add 105 75. This is going to be 180. Okay, like that. Did you get my point? Did you get my point or not? If you are not getting my point, then you will get. How you will get? Let's suppose come to the second question. The second angle is 95. Okay, what should be the next angle to make the supplementary angle? The supplementary is 180. So what will be the next angle? What will be the next angle? We don't know. What we will do? We're going to subtract. So the total supplementary angle is how many degrees? 180 degree. Okay, second question, how many? 95 degree. Okay, now subtract. If you subtract, is it going to be how much? 95 equals to 85. Is it going to be 85? So 85. So the next angle should have to be how much? 85. If it is 85 na, if you add 95 plus 85, is it going to be 180? Is it clear? Okay, now come to the third question. Come to the third question. Okay, so in the third question, the angle is 150. Okay, 150. The next angle we don't know. If we add both of the, it is going to be 180. it should be 180. So this is a 150 already, but what should be this angle? So how you will find? Simple. The complementary angle is, supplementary angle is 180. The given angle is how much? 150. Subtract from 150, and if you subtract how much it is, 30 will be left. So the next angle should have to be 30. If it is 30 degree now, then if you add, it is going to be 180 degree. Okay, simple. You have to write the supplementary angle total, and then you have to subtract. Fourth one, easy. The total supplementary angle is how much? 180 degree minus 20 degree. Okay, how much it is left? 160 degree. How? I will explain you. Come, how I will explain you. This is the one angle which is 20 degree. What should be the another to make the supplementary? The supplementary is 180. So 180 is already given. If you subtract from here, you will get 160, means this angle should have to be 160. Okay, then only it is going to be 180. So is it clear or not? So this question is going to be clear for you. Okay, second one is clear or not? Okay, I hope the second question is clear for you. If it is clear now, we will go to our third question. Third question, was it what is it telling? Two acute angles cannot be a pair of supplementary angle. Justify. This is telling that two acute angles have a sum. Okay, now two acute angles cannot be a pair of supplementary angles. Okay, the supplementary angle is how much? First write supplementary. Okay, now just wait a minute, I will tell you. Supplementary angle. The supplementary angle is how much? 180 degree. Okay, and acute angle. Acute angle is how much? Acute angle. The acute angle should be more than 0. More than 0. I will write here. More than 0. Less than 90. Less than 90. More than 0 and less than 90. So what is it going to be? So is the two acute angles cannot be a pair of supplementary. Yes, is it right? Because two acute angles cannot be a pair of supplementary angle, because the supplementary angle is 180 and the acute angle will be more than 0 and less than 180. Let's suppose less than 190 means 89. This is a 189 plus 189. This is a okay, sorry, this is not 89. 189 plus 189. These are the two supplementary, two acute angles. Both are two acute angles. Okay, because acute angles more than 0 and less than 90. So this is a two acute angle, 89, 89. If you add, how much it is going to be? 178 it is only. If you think 90, 90, so 90, 90 is not supplementary. Okay, na? So if it is the highest number, 89, 89 is, so 89, 89, sorry, 89 and 89 is only not going to be 180. So how the other? It's not possible. Otherwise you will say, sir, 45, 45. Is it not going to be? It is going to be 80 only. If you doubt, 45 plus 89, you can try. How much it is going to be? 134 only. So two acute angle, yes, the two acute angles cannot make a supplementary angle because not possible. Okay, now so two acute angles have a sum less than the 180, so they cannot a supplementary, so they cannot be a supplementary. Okay, now so the two acute angle cannot form a pair of supplementary angle. Right here, answer right. What should write the answer? The first angle should be, if you make any angle now, it will less than 90 only. Okay, if you make also another angle, it should be also 89. If 89 means 89 and 89, this is only going to be 178. Then after there is no possibility. Okay, now so what should we are going to write here? Angle 1 should be less than 90 and angle 2 will be also less than 90. So the sum will be less than 180 only. So what we will write? If you make an angle, okay, now you can write like that. Wait a minute. Simple. Just wait. Angle, let's suppose angle 1 is less than 90 less than 90 means this is angle 1 which is 89. Okay, angle, okay, I will write a little bit clearly here. Angle 2 is less than 90, because acute angle is less than 90 only and more than 0. So let's angle this is 89 only. The sum of these two angles, their sum is always less than 180 only. Their sum, if you add 89 plus 89, this is going to be how much degree? It is 178. Is it not 180 also? Their sum will always be less than 180 degree. Okay, now their sum will be always less than 180 degree. So therefore, otherwise you can write, so therefore, here you can write, so therefore two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angle. So this is the answer of your third one. Okay na? Okay, acute angle is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees. So if you make two angles, let's suppose this is and this is two angles, if you add, how much you will put? It should have to be less than 90 only. It should have to be less than 90, means it should have to be 89, otherwise it have to be 0 to 89 it should have to. And after this, putting any number you will put, let's suppose 75, 89, and this is not going to be 180 anytime. So that's why. Okay na? Complete. Fourth question. Come to the fourth question. The fourth question is, two angles are equal to supplementary each other, find them. Okay, there is a two angles which are the equals to the each other. Two angles, we have to make two angles. Let's suppose we are making two angles. Okay na? Let's make two angles. Okay, these are the, let's suppose this is a one angle and this is a one angle. This is two angles. It is telling two angles. So this is a first angle, this is a second. Two angles are equal. Okay, this both angles are equal. So let's suppose this is a 30 degree, it is also 30 degree. If it is 45 degree, it is also 45 degree. So the angle is equal means what? First it is telling make two angles. We made two angles and this angle should have to be equal. If it is 35, it should be 35. If it is 45, it have to be 45. If it is 90 degree, it have to be also 90 degree. Okay na? The both angles should have to be equal. What is telling? Supplementary to each other. The angle should be supplementary. The angle should be how much? The angle should have to be supplementary. So how the angle should be supplementary? The supplementary angle is 180 degree. It means, so the first it have to be equal. So let's suppose this is a 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. When we add both of this, 90 plus 90, this is going to be 90 plus 90, this is going to be 180. Okay, our answer is qualified. How? It is, what is telling? Two angles. This is a one and this is a, we make two angles and it have to be equal. Okay, this is also 90, this is also 90, both are equal. It should have to be supplementary. It is supplementary. 90 plus 90, 180. The supplementary angle is 180. So this is 180. Our hands, is it proof? Hands, is it proof? 90 and 90. So the answer is how much? Two angles are the 90 and 90 degree. So this is your answer. Okay now, this is a 180. Okay now, 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, is it clear or not? Okay now, you should write here 90 and 90. You can write 90 here only. 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay, clear? So 90 90. Okay, is it clear for you? So I hope this video is going to clear for you. If you have any kinds of doubt related to this one, you can ask me, and if you have no doubt, you can just go ahead next exercise. So we are going to solve in the next video, we are going to solve our exercise 4th. So if you want the all class 7th mathematics solution, you can go to our channel, click on the playlist, and there you will find all the mathematics solution. Okay, and from tomorrow maybe we are going to start the social studies. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.